That day, 2 days before that, we know that there was a problem. Emma texted her mommy. Sabi niya, Mom, I'm in an emergency right now, but worry not. There's no self-harm. But I need to go to a therapy center. So yun ang message namin. So we knew there was something wrong. We tried calling her, hindi sumasagot. And then the next day, we tried calling her, again, hindi naman sumasagot. So I knew. I was in the Philippines, Kelly was in Florida. And there's a pickleball championship eh. Buti na nasa Amerika na siya when that happened. No? But I was waiting here. And then on the second day, I woke up in the morning, may message si Kelly. I have terrible news. I know already, napanood ako ng lambot ng tuhod ko. Sabi ko, Lord, ito na. So I called Kelly. And Kelly said, Emma's gone. Nalambot ako, nalamig ako. And nasa utak ko, Lord, dasal ko sa ito araw-araw. Why? Kelly flew right away to LA. And then, yun na. So, we decided to, I flew to LA also, 2 days after. So, Emma is now in the Philippines. But right now, I'm just grieving that Emma is lost. I can see that it's moving a lot of people, not only in the Philippines, but worldwide. Alam mo ba yung anak ko eh, si Emma was in New York Times, she was in TMZ, Entertainment Tonight, and painfully I was reading all the comments, in all the articles. But what's good about her being written about was, they wrote about what happened, and they also wrote about what she stood for, which is a little kindness. Kumalat yun eh, a little kindness.
Yeah.
Emma was so kind, napakabait ng batang yan, sobra.
And they were also referencing you, ha?
Well, yeah, alam ko siya eh. Alam ba, even if they reference me lahat, ayaw na ayaw ni Emma na magkasama kami
Talaga?
sa social media.
Oo.
Kasi nga nakita ko malakas ang following niya eh. So sinasakyan ko, minsan nag-stage kami, minsan nag-duet kami. Bila ako yan. Hindi ko pwede gamitin yung mga video niya kasi naka-black ako. Hindi ako pwede mag-stage, mag-duet. No? Sabi ko, Emma, why? Papa, I'm already called Nepo Baby. And they say that I'm a Nepo Baby that they like. If we're seen together, I'll be a real Nepo Baby. I'll be one of those regular Nepo Babies riding on you. I want to do this on my own. Kaya in fairness to Eman, nag-shine siya on her own.
I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, Kim.
Ano nga eh, parang, Lord, kahit hindi mo ako cancer, okay. Ising ko yan eh. Madali ano eh. Madali at ising ang pain. Hindi ising ko yan eh. Pero hindi ko nakakaanak. Sakit. Sakit. Hindi mo na sa dahil sakit na sakit lang. Sakit sa lahat.